In the world of creating cool gadgets or apps, think of a product roadmap like a GPS, guiding you on a road trip. Hello everyone, welcome to this video by Simplilearn. Imagine you're the driver leading your team on a journey to create something awesome. Without a map, you might end up losing or going in circles. But with a clear roadmap, it's like you have turn-by-turn directions and you know where you're headed, which keeps everyone on the same page and working together smoothly. Just like how Google Maps help you avoid traffic and find the best route. In a similar way, a product roadmap helps you and your team dodge obstacles and reach your destination, launching a successful product. It acts as a guide for product managers to communicate with their team and navigate their product development process. In today's video, we will be talking about product vision. What is product roadmap? Its features and functions, different types of roadmaps you can use, how to create a product roadmap, and top 5 free tools for creating a product roadmap.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Also, just a quick info guys, if you are interested in becoming a certified product manager from SP Jain School of Product Management, gain expertise in AI-powered product management courses, ChatGPT and Google Bard, top product tools with 100% interactive live sessions led by industry experts and SP Jain's top faculties. This professional product management course by SP Jain School of Global Management prepares you to become a product manager via an exhaustive curriculum covering all aspects of product management. This program focuses on the latest industry trends, advancements, and related industry applications, taught by top product experts via live sessions. This SP Jain's academic excellence and product expertise from experts from companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and more. So don't forget to check out this course in the description box below and the pinned comment. So without further ado, let's get started. Let us now start by understanding what product vision actually means. If you look up online, you might find complicated explanations like it's the emotional future idea of a company. But let me make it easier for you. Your product vision is basically your big goal, what you want to achieve with your product or the impact you want to make. For example, Elon Musk's vision for Tesla is to become the top car company for the 21st century. That's their product vision, their destination. Some people mix up vision with why of a product, but they're not the same. Your vision is where you're headed, while the why is the reason behind aiming for the future. In business, we call this reason the mission. So if your vision is where you're going, the mission is why you're going there. Having a clear vision is very important in product development for 2 reasons. Firstly, it motivates your team and stakeholders by giving them an exciting goal to aim for. And it helps you to make smart decisions about what to build and what not to build. With a clear vision, you can steer your product in the right direction and make sure everyone is on the same page. We will now understand what is product roadmap. A product roadmap basically outlines your objectives, guiding you towards achieving your goals for a product. It's a strategic plan that details the necessary steps and timelines needed for accomplishing tasks. Product roadmaps play a very crucial role as they assist in prioritizing and planning ahead at each stage of product development. They connect the overarching product strategy with the specific tasks and activities carried out by the team. For example, let's say you're creating a new mobile app. Your product roadmap would outline all the key features you want to include, like user login, messaging, and photo sharing. It will also break down when each feature needs to be developed, tested, and released to users. Here, the product roadmap helps us to stay on track and reach our destination, launching a successful app. Let's discuss the key features and functions of a product roadmap. Firstly, the roadmap serves as a high-level plan charting the course from concept to final release. It lays out the key milestones, deliverables, and timelines the team needs to hit, which are shared with stakeholders and developers to ensure everyone understands the plan and stays on the track. Regularly updating and consulting the roadmap keeps the team focused on the big picture and the ultimate goal. A vital function of the roadmap is to prioritize product initiatives and features. By defining what will be built and when, the roadmap enables the team to focus their efforts on the most impactful and strategic elements, allocating resources efficiently. The roadmap also communicates the product strategy to stakeholders, from executives to the sales team. This visual representation fosters buy-in and collaboration across the organization. Roadmaps play a key role in managing expectations by outlining planned releases and feature rollouts and settling clear expectations for customers. Lastly, the best roadmaps incorporate flexibility, adapting to changing market conditions, customer feedback, and new strategic priorities aligned with evolving business needs. We will now explore different types of product roadmaps and how they help us to achieve our product goals. At first, we have portfolio roadmap. This roadmap provides a broad overview of stages for multiple products. Imagine you're overseeing a company that develops both mobile apps and platforms. Here, the portfolio roadmap will help you to see the big picture, what's happening across your product portfolio. Second, we have strategy roadmap, which emphasizes high-level initiatives and efforts to meet product goals. For example, it might include goals like improving user experience, expanding product offerings, or enhancing customer support. Third, we have release roadmap, which breaks down the task and timeline to finalize a product's creation. This could include steps like designing user interfaces, coding functionalities, testing for bugs, and finally releasing updates to app stores. Features roadmap. This roadmap basically shows features and timelines of when product features will be released. It helps ensure the development efforts are aligned with the planned feature releases. Next, we have sprint roadmap. It is used when the Agile framework to plan the team efforts during a sprint. For instance, if your team is working in a 2-week sprint to add new features to a website, this sprint roadmap would outline who is responsible for which task during that time frame. Next, we will now understand how to create a product roadmap. Creating an effective product roadmap doesn't have to be complicated. With a well-crafted roadmap, you can bring clarity and focus to your product development journey. Remember to define your purpose, identify your audience, and be ready to adapt along the way. Let me walk you through the 7 key steps. The first step is to define your product purpose. What are the main goals and objectives you're trying to achieve with this product? Get really clear on the core purpose. This will serve as the foundation of your roadmap. Next, identify your audience who will be using the product and referencing the roadmap. Understanding your key stakeholders from executives to customers will help you tailor the roadmap to meet their specific needs and expectations. Third, gather input and feedback from the stakeholders. Talk to your customers, your sales team, and your developers. Get their insights on what's the most important to include in the roadmap. This collaborative approach will result in more well-rounded plan. The fourth step is to determine the main theme or pillars of your product roadmap. These are the high-level categories or focus areas that will guide your development efforts. Things like new features, product enhancements, or infrastructure improvements. Once you have those key themes identified, you can break them down into more specific, actionable items. These are the individual tasks, milestones, and deliverables that will bring each theme to life over time. With your theme and action being defined, you can then choose the right format for your roadmap. Will it be a visual timeline, a table of initiatives? The format should make it easy for your audience to quickly understand the plan. Finally, remember that your roadmap is not set in stone. Review it regularly and update it as needed to reflect changes in your business market or customer needs. Flexibility is key to ensuring your roadmap remains relevant and valuable. Follow these 7 steps and you'll be well on your way to creating a product roadmap that aligns your team, excites your stakeholders, and ultimately drives your product success. We will now discuss the 5 free tools for creating a product roadmap. You must now be wondering how to create effective product roadmap. Well, I'm now going to share you the top 5 free tools that you can use to build your roadmap and keep your product development on track. First up, we have Trello. Trello is a versatile project management tool that also happens to have some great roadmap templates that you can use. Next, we have Notion, a collaborative workspace that includes roadmap templates in their free plan. Next, we have got JIRA, which is a popular tool that can be leveraged for creating and managing effective product roadmaps. Of course, we can't forget the classic Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. This tried and true spreadsheet tool may not have all the bells and whistles, but it's a very simple and effective way to map out your product roadmap. We will now discuss how to make a product roadmap in Excel. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process to build one using Microsoft Excel. Let me illustrate with an example. Step 1. The first thing you'll do is to map out your overall strategy. Identify the key components you need to include in your roadmap. These could be things like product phases, future releases, or team responsibilities. Get these main elements listed out in the column. This will be on the vertical axis of your roadmap. Step 2. You'll want to set up a timeline across the top of your spreadsheet. The horizontal axis will serve as a time reference for your roadmap. You can break this down in months, quarters, or any other time increments that make sense for your project. Step number 3. Now it's time to start building out the visual elements of your roadmap. Create swim lanes to group related tasks and initiatives. You can even add sub-swim lanes to break things down even further. This helps organize a roadmap and make it easier to digest at a glance. In our roadmap example, we have listed a few project steps, breaking down the implementation step into phases, that is phase 1, phase 2, and also phase 3. Step number 4. Within each swim lane, we'll start add some shapes to represent the different components of your product roadmap. Go to Insert Shapes and then select the shape you would like to insert. Step number 5. Draw the shape by placing the cursor on the needed position and drag it to draw. Adjust the width of these shapes to align with your timeline and visually communicate the timing to each initiative of milestone. Step number 6. Move multiple shapes at once. To do so, click on the desired items after pressing and holding the Control key and drag and drop them into the new position. Next, we have Format Shapes. Right-click on any shape and then open the right side Format Shape menu. Step number 7. Do not forget to add clear descriptions to your shape. Double-click on any of the shape and start typing to provide the details of the element you want to represent. You can even style the text to make it pop. Next, we have, in this step, we will incorporate the key milestones into your roadmap. Add these as a distinct shapes and group them with text boxes so you can easily move them around as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive product roadmap built entirely in Excel. The beauty of this approach is the flexibility it provides. You can easily update, rearrange, and refine your roadmap as your product evolves. Give it a try and let me know if you have any other questions. And there you have it, everything you need to know about creating an effective product roadmap. If you are looking to level up your product management skills, I highly recommend checking out Simplilearn certification program. If you like this session, then please like and share and also subscribe. If you have any other question, you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos by Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing programs, and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.